Hello, this is Diana with WTI, and this is the VOBAGA Auto Shut-Off Mug Warmer. I want to tell you why I like to use the mug warmer. It's just a plastic plate with a regular connector you can plug in on your regular outlet anywhere in your house. It's suitable for stainless cups or ceramic cups, even like a coffee carton box to maintain your beverages warm or hot. To turn it on, you just tap once on the button and then you tap twice for a more hotter temperature, and then if you tap 3 times it goes to like a warm setting. Another cool feature that I like about the device is that after I turn it off, the light continues to blink to warn me that the plate is still hot, and so that is a safe, cool tip. I know you will love the VOBAGA mug warmer. If you're a slow drinker like me and you want your coffee to stay warm for a long time, you will enjoy this item. And this is my point of view.